Hi guys, this is my pet life video. I'm going to be showing you images and information on all of my pets I have currently owned during my entire 10 years of being on this planet. Firstly is Felix the cat. Secondly is Rolf the cat. Now onto the fish. My first fish was called Pinky. And then 3 lasting dating. Now Dotty, who ate another fish's tail. Last but one fish, Little Sunshine. She always brought a sun on a rainy day. She may have been from a carnival, but she certainly lasted long. It's Miley. Now on to my 3-week lasting hamster, Fudge.
Sky in the blur, you took my breath away.
Now beloved Snuggles.
Sky in the blur, you took my breath away. Sky in the blur, you took my breath away.
Now it is my current hamster Triple, and I'm sorry if you can hear popping in the background. Someone over there is letting fireworks off, so yeah.
Sky in the blur, you took my breath away.
Hope you enjoyed my pet life. If you like videos like this, let me know and I'll continue doing videos like this. All these videos now that I'm currently doing will be leading up to one big video. Hope you like this video again. Once again, bye from me and Triple.